More local news now, and Officer Christopher Manny defends his decision to confront Dontre Hamilton.
Milwaukee Police released more than 1,000 pages of documents, including memos Manny wrote after he was fired.
Here's Tom Murray with some of the key points. Tom?
Well, Mike and Carol, Officer Manny wrote to the police chief saying he was shocked by the internal charges and vehemently denies any wrongdoing. Officer Manny was fired after shooting and killing Dontre Hamilton.
Newly released squad car video shows police closing off Red Arrow Park after an officer shot and killed Dontre Hamilton. These are MPD photos of Hamilton's backpack, winter hat, and blanket. Officer Christopher Manny was fired for not following proper procedure in dealing with Hamilton. In department memos just made public, Manny contends the two internal charges against him contradict each other. Manny writes, the department's stance on the first charge is that Hamilton was so non-dangerous that there was no justification to even pat him down. And on the second charge, Manny writes, the department's position that Hamilton was so dangerous that I should have called for backup before even approaching him and that I caused officer-created jeopardy. Manny accuses MPD of being desperate to create charges against me that are unwarranted and unjustified. District Attorney John Chisholm says he could not consider the initial pat-down when making a criminal charging decision.
What you really are limited to is looking at the facts and what people did based on those unique set of circumstances.
The Hamilton family attorney disagrees.
If it wasn't for the search, the escalation would not have occurred, the baton would not have been used, the decision to shoot would not have occurred.
Now, no state charges against Officer Manny, but there still could be federal charges. I spoke with U.S. Attorney James Santel today. He's looking at whether or not the officer violated Hamilton's civil rights, and he tells me that there is no timetable right now for when that investigation will be complete. Mike and Carol?
And of course, this is still kind of playing itself out before the Fire and Police Commission as well. Thank you, Tom.